let's say about doing an Instagram live practice mode. So you click the plus on the top here and you click live. And as you see here, it's going to say live audience. So click on audience. And then we're going to click practice. Go live by yourself or with others to practice. Nobody will be notified, and you can change the audience when you are ready. Perfect. So here we go. Set audience. So now my audience is set. I can choose a filter. This is augmented reality, so I like to keep it a little bit normal or let people know that I am using a filter. But anyways, just for this, let's try to keep it snowy. And then I'm gonna start going live. So it's checking my connection. And so now I'm in a live practice. Okay, what's super interesting is what you see on top. So you can see here the little icon where you could add a photo that you have. So if you want to teach something, you can like say, I can say, okay, today we're going to talk about live scheduling. And then you can click the photo icon and you can say, choose a different asset. So my next slide about that would be this, say, there's new tools, etc., etc. So this is what this is used for. You can click on it and then stop sharing. Then you have your microphone. You can turn on off. This is if you want to turn your video. Switch your video around by clicking those little arrows. These are your filters. And see how it says it's hidden and so on? And I can invite people. So let's just do this for now. Okay, and so I can invite somebody, and so this is what we're going to try. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to invite to join. So I'm going to try to invite Heather at Keep It Simple Social Media. And so she's invited. Oh, yay! Oh my God, where are you?
I'm just outside.
That is so funny. Okay, so I'm recording this so people can see what this is all about. And I'm trying to
Your
like,
sound sounds great.
no, my sound is not great.
No, it sounds great.
Oh, okay.
Great.
So this would be, so this is a practice. So on the top it says practice. And so this is great so that if we were practicing, we could just do a practice, make sure I can hear you, you can hear me, all the little things kind of, so you can twist your video around. Can you add some stickers? Like, does it say if you can add some images? Do you have any options like that?
Yeah, let me just put my glasses on. So I can do the makeup one.
Yeah.
So, see? Right?
And you can turn your camera around. You can mute,
Yeah,
probably.
I can switch my camera around. Right? I'm out at the hospital. That's where I am at right now.
Okay.
And
And the microphone is just to mute yourself, right?
yeah, so that's the mute. And
Okay,
then
perfect.
the stickers basically are just like our regular ones. See, I can change different modes. Nothing too exciting. I prefer the makeup one. I love that. I like the sparkle one too, I have to say. So there's fun little options.
Okay, and see how I have this comment? So do you see my comment on your screen as well?
Yeah, I can see your
Okay,
comment.
perfect. So this is comment from people, and then questions. Everyone watching can send and see questions here. So can you send a question? Do you have the little question icon?
Just a second. I'm just trying the comment. So there's my comment. Looks and sounds great. I don't have the question option.
Okay, so maybe it's something
Yeah,
that
just a second. Send Catherine a question. Ask
sweet.
something.
This is so fun, you guys, because this is how you can practice. So you can practice before you go live. So it's not as nerve-wracking because you get to test all the buttons and make sure it works, right?
Question?
Yeah, so I have a little question icon and it says, How are you?
Okay, I have to tell you, I have to go inside. I'm
Okay,
freezing.
perfect. So I'm gonna stop this. Thank you for joining. So you can leave and I'll take it from there and then I'll download it. Bye. Okay, so this was Heather that joined us. So this is how you can practice and practice split screen. And then if I go here, I have the time that it goes, and then I can stop it on the top right. See how it says like Q&A and all that? I can up out this. And then if I stop it, do you sure you want to end your live? End now. And you can view it in your live archive. So you can watch it afterwards to see how it goes. You can go live with more people. So if you want to actually go live for real, you would click go live with more people, and then you would go live right now, or you up out of this, and then hopefully I didn't lose it. So let's go back into it and see if we're gonna have it. This is your tip of the week. Thank you for following me on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube at Catherine Aird Social Media. If you have any questions, you can send me some message or DMs. Bye.